Okay, this is going to be a little video on video file format conversion. So again, you've seen about the Smart Recorder. Nice tool, really cool tool. Unfortunately, or for whatever reason, and I have a few theories, but that's unimportant. Um, the video file, the Smart Recorder only records in WAV file format or um, AVI file format. Neither of those which can be used in a Smart Notebook file. So let's say we recorded a video and we recorded it so that we could use it in our own Smart Notebook presentation. It makes sense at some levels. So the problem with that is file format. So there's some programs out there that you can use to convert from one video file format to another, basically file converters. Um, there's a number of them that are available that you can use. The one I'm going to show today is called Zamzar, and it's an online website that's fairly simple to use. So we'll look at that. So we go to Google, and if you Google Zamzar, the top link that comes up is Zamzar. You can also use the URL, which is www.zamzar.com. If we go there, the website looks like this, and you gotta love the iguanas or whatever they are. So convert files is what we want to do. You can also download videos, send files, manage files. These, I believe, you have to have a Zamzar account for, and you don't to do what we want to do. So what are we going to do? We want to select the files or URLs to convert. Again, there's a file size issue, so you got to make sure that your files fit within that size. 100 megabytes, they should fit. So I'm going to click on Choose File, and then I'm going to scroll down to the video that I created earlier, inserting video in Smart Notebook that I want to use. So I'm going to open that. Step 2 is choose the file format to convert to, and I want to convert to FLV, which is that flash video file that I want to use for Smart Notebook. The third step is enter your email address. Now, I've never had problems with Zamzar spamming me or results of spam, but I use my junk email address um, for everything that I do on the web. So if you don't have a junk email address, you might want to think about using one just for anything you do on the web. But at any rate, step 4 is click convert. So I'm going to do that, and at this point, my file is going to be uploaded. That'll take a little while. Then they'll run a convert, and then I'll get an email. So the process is going to take a little bit of time, and I'm going to pause in that time. But eventually, when this changes, we'll switch over to our email. Okay, so the upload has completed, and you can see my screen has changed a little bit. The status bar has gone away. What I'm going to do now is switch over to my email, check my email for an email when again it's uploaded. Now they're going to convert. They'll send an email to me. So all these links here are you trying to get a Zamzar account, which again we don't need to do simple file conversions. They tell you it's faster and that kind of thing, but again, not necessary. So I'm going to go to my junk email account. I'm already logged in. I'm going to check my mail again just to see if I have the email. Check my email, and it's not here yet, so we'll wait for a second until we get that email. So I checked my email a little bit while I was waiting, and come back, and here's the Zamzar conversion. If I click on this, here's what it says. Now, the first thing they want you to do is get a Zamzar account. And again, they're all about that, but if you look below, it says alternative, click the following link to download a copy of converted file, and that's all we really want to do. So I'm going to click this link. It'll open up a new icon, and here's my video converted to FLV, and I can click the download now button to download. So I'm going to do that. Again, they're still trying to convince me to sign up. I don't need to do that. Just thank you. Should start automatically. If it doesn't, there's a link here to click. You can see down here that my download has begun already. So we'll pause while we wait for that download. Okay, so my download has completed. You can see that there. And that means basically I'm done with Zamzar or anything I need to do here. Now I can go back to my Smart Notebook file and insert that video through the Insert menu, Insert Video, browse for that video, and again, my downloads is where all downloaded videos go, and that was inserting video in Smart Notebook is the file we just converted, and it comes in and looks full screen there, so I'm going to change the size of it a little bit um, by selecting the toggle, the handle, hopefully I'll select the toggle and resize it, make it a little smaller so that it fits on my nice green screen. It's green on green there, it's nothing like matching. But resize the video, change it the way I need it to be, and I'm ready to go. I've got the play, the pause menu, the button, and I can change the speaker volume, all those kinds of things from before. So again, file format conversion using Zamzar. And again, there's other resources out there you can do the same thing with. Hope you enjoyed.